Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials, your Microsoft account credentials, and a live internet connection on the Switch. Once done, launch Minecraft and select Sign in with Microsoft on the title screen. This initiates the console authentication flow. You do this because Microsoft profiles enable crossplay, realms, and purchases syncing. Make sure your account has no pending security checks, otherwise, the Switch sign-in will be blocked. If prompted, accept permissions so Minecraft can access your profile. Now follow the on-screen sign-in flow. Choose Sign In and note the shortcode that appears. Next, on your phone or PC, go to the Microsoft sign-in page shown on the Switch and enter that code. This links the console session to your account securely. Once you sign in, Microsoft verifies your identity and asks for consent to share basic profile data with Minecraft. This is why the code step exists, to prevent accidental logins. After authorizing, return to the Switch and wait for confirmation. To finish, confirm Minecraft displays your Microsoft Gamer tag and that cloud features like realms and crossplay are available. If something goes wrong, make sure the Switch system clock is accurate and Minecraft is updated. Mismatched time or outdated software often blocks authentication. Also review your Microsoft account security. Two-step verification or a pending verification email can prevent sign-in. If needed, restart the game, generate a new sign-in code, and repeat the web authorization. That normally resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.